With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So the question here is, a point charge is placed at the center of a spherical Gaussian surface. Is electric field phi E changed if the sphere is replaced by a cube of the same or different volume? The charge is moved off the center in the original sphere, still remaining inside. The charge is moved just outside the original sphere. The second charge is placed near outside the original sphere. A second charge is placed inside the Gaussian surface. So we have a Gaussian surface. Let us first draw a Gaussian surface of a spherical symmetry. So imagine this is a Gaussian surface. Now a charge is placed at the center of this Gaussian surface. So let us imagine the charge Q is placed at the center here, at this center of this Gaussian surface. Now the flux is given phi E. Now let us take the first case. The sphere is replaced by a cube of same or different volume. Now as we know from Gauss law, we know that phi E is equal to the charge enclosed Q upon epsilon 0. So the flux depends only on the charge enclosed. It does not depend on the shape or the volume of the enclosing Gaussian surface. So as the charge enclosed remains the same in the first case, so either if it is a cube or it is a sphere, it doesn't matter because the charge enclosed will remain the same. So we can say that the flux will not change. So our answer would be no, the flux will not change. Now in the second case, the charge is moved off the center in the original sphere, still remaining inside. So in the second case, we have moved this charge from this position and let us say place it is somewhere here. Now still the charge is enclosed inside the Gaussian surface and still the magnitude of charge is same. So according to Gauss law, the flux will not change. So our answer would be no, because even though we have moved the charge from the center, still it is enclosed inside the Gaussian surface and the magnitude of the charge is still same. So the flux will not change. Now in the third case, the charge is moved just outside the original sphere. So we have moved this charge from the Gaussian surface and placed it outside the Gaussian surface, somewhere here. So in this case, the charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface is 0 because there is no charge inside the Gaussian surface. So our flux would be phi E would be 0. So in this case, the flux is changed. So our answer would be yes, the flux is changed. Now in the third scenario, let us place this charge back inside. In the third scenario, a question is, a second charge is placed near the outside to the original sphere. So we have placed another charge somewhere outside the Gaussian surface, somewhere here. Now as the charge is outside the Gaussian surface, still the charge enclosed the Gaussian surface is our initial charge Q, and it has not changed. So our flux would be remain same. So our answer would be no, the flux will not change in this case. Now if we place this charge, the second charge is placed inside the Gaussian surface. If we take this charge and place it inside the Gaussian surface here, now our charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface is changed because we have two charges now. So our charge enclosed is changed, so the flux will change. So our answer would be yes, the flux will change. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.